everybody. Today is my tomato moving day.
Right.
Been in my house since April 1st. Got to get out because it's driving me crazy. And this is how big they are. So, I mean, this is a pretty big plant. This is my Jubilee.
Right.
And she's pretty big. She's grown pretty big in the house. She's gone surpassed her stick. And so it's only in this little pretty light right there. This one probably needs a bit of water right now, but that's what we're doing. Me and Bobby's out down now moving all my plants to the greenhouse. And the only thing now, we got to get our heat source for the night. But I don't think at this point June 11th is going to hurt.
No, I don't think.
But I would rather have a little bit of heat source here just in case it, you know, drop down too low. So we're bringing them out. This is our day.
Where's your eater to?
Oh, happy day.
Right? Happy day. You're getting them outdoors.
Happy day for me, because I'm just sick and tired seeing it in my living room and everyone's like, oh my goodness, look at them.
Right?
So it's all pretty big now. I tell you what I done wrong with my flowers. I didn't realize it before. I planted these all April 1st. I'll be left the day before, and I planted all these. And kids come up and let the kids plant flowers, not realizing flowers should be planted 30 days later. So all my flowers are basically gone leggy, dropped and drooped, and so I don't know. I was going, hopefully they'll start stemming up in the greenhouse.
Right.
But anyway, that's what happens when you're excited and you want to plant. So sometimes we just goes crazy, plants way too early. So yeah, it's the day they're coming out. Thank goodness, I can't wait to get them out there.
Oh. Can't touch one over. It's off.
Have you got them that's out there? That it looks like they're broke off. We just got to put something around them.
I'm too sorry.
Hey everybody.
Crazy, isn't it?
It's a happy day for me.
Right. Over there in Doral?
Yep.
Another one there got tied up too.
Yep, it goes tied up. It needs to be tied up. You just not jump, man. That's right there for me.
I'll show you one there. Needs to be tied up, maybe. Oh, so we're tying them up as you get some out of them.
Yeah, if I see they're weak, yeah.
Very much I get past you. Woo! Here she comes, folks. Filling up the greenhouse.
Yep.
Greenhouse.
See one fell down?
Greenhouse filling up there. One fell down there. This one broke off altogether. So I need to tie it up there.
So tall thing, gone right leggy and out, but
Right.
I had fan on them, still not enough. Is you sweating or something, dear?
Well, you got clothes on enough for anything, sir.
Yeah, but June minutes in sunshine, you.
Right?
Okay, so you got little plants, seems like in the house, they all grow leggy, and you know, I had fan on them for a little while, but anyway, I bring them up to their stick now and tie them up.
Giving them some more support.
Yeah. And I was just going to let you see this wonderful little thing I bought in the dollar store. It's string, and you just pull the string from the top, and it comes with the little scissors for $2, $2.50.
No way.
Yeah. So I think it's awesome, especially for the greenhouse.
Right?
Always wanting string.
Great gift for a gardener.
Yeah.
And what did the bottle say?
It says gardening. Love your garden.
There you go. Where you say you got that
Yeah.
at the dollar store?
Dollar store.
Wow.
Perfect little gift. Comes with little tags. Oh, I said $2, then it's $4.50.
Okay, $4.25.
Twine, jar, and scissors. So
There you go.
yeah, it's worth that. I had them last year, and I just think it's wonderful.
There you go.
I used the full one last year at this place out here. So that's the new one now I just bought.
Well, I mean, it's no trouble to. I've never ever seen them.
Yeah, and so you buy them little glass, the scissors is on there like that.
This boy.
Yeah, wonderful.
So you bought a new one. I always think I've been coming here using them scissors all the time. I just thought it was the same scissors.
See, little scissors is in this like that, like in that little plastic thing, hung on the jar.
Well, there's a wonderful gift idea for for you gardeners that's out there, right?
Yeah. Not just gardening, that can be used for a whole lot of crafts,
Oh yeah.
right? But it's awesome for the greenhouse and my tomatoes. Because I'm always looking for a piece of string.
Well, we're always pulling out string. We used full one like that last year.
We did, we used full one, yeah.
So, as you could tell, we're up for another jungle when everything grows again.
It's pretty much go big there now.
Right?
If you mind to come and look close.
Yeah, just look.
They're preparing for their,
They're getting ready.
see? They're preparing for their,
Flower.
yeah, for their flowers and their fruit already. How big are they there?
Yeah.
Yeah, amazing.
So they're getting flower ready.
Yeah,
Oh, just another one there too, look.
they're getting prepared, Bobby.
Yeah, getting the little flower buds on them.
Now
Look.
remember, we got to start tapping them soon. Once they start to get their little buds on them.
Yeah, so tomato plants is soft pollinators. So just come out in the morning when you're watering and just give you little stems a tap.
And we always taps because there's nothing can come in here. I usually keeps that door shut. So we don't get no bees or anything in there, nothing to pollinate. So we really got to spend a lot of time tapping.
Dini, do you know the name of this flower? Because I don't.
This is geranium.
Some pretty.
Yeah, all these was growing in my house now and they're lights. I got
This
lights
was the
turned
ones
up
that you
today.
seen under the pink lights,
Yeah.
folks. And then Esther said the name V and
Impatient.
impatient.
Yeah. I
Nice
was
one.
off with Jonathan last year up spring now, and the lady let him pick out some. When I went in Stacy's shed, I'm thrown outdoors. I said, Stacy, you could let that grow all winter. She said, I'm not keeping that out. I said, well, I'm bringing it up in the basement.
Right?
Yes, so they're all ready there now, go outdoors, but I don't put nothing out till at least July 1st, because around here we get cold temperature nights, drop down.
So you keep flowers in the house
Yeah,
and everything in the greenhouse until 1st July.
yeah, around there for sure.
Yeah.
Because our temperatures get cold and it's not working.
So I know you see a lot of things, and you got to adjust to the climate that you're growing in, folks. So
Yeah.
what we do is on the northeast coast of Newfoundland is not what you guys got to do up in Nova Scotia or New Brunswick.
No, that's right.
But you got to adjust your gardening to
Your temperatures,
where you live. Yes,
to where you live.
right. And what works for somebody might never work for you. So
Yeah.
I've always said one thing about gardening: my garden, my rules.
True.
My
Yeah, your garden, your rules.
garden, my rules. I've always said that. So.
Yeah. What works for you might not work for me.
So you see what we're at today? Getting Doreen's,
Getting the greenhouse ready.
getting Dini's plants out and getting ready to fill
That's
this
just
place
half
up.
of them right there.
So we gotta stop videoing, and when I turn you back on, we'll have
Most of it brought out.
most of the product. So we're getting it done.
So, just want to let you know, this is my little determinant. This is the cherry tomatoes.
A little,
Now, so they don't grow very big compared to the giant ones, look. Remember, Bobby, I was picking them one year and it was all underneath.
yeah, that's right. They're the ones that grows in the little
Perfect.
stem.
Yes, perfect for the patio. If you don't have no room, there's no reason why you can't grow this little tiny one here.
No.
Cherry Falls, he's called.
And then these here you got here.
That's my yellow. That's the yellow canary you grew on your back patio last year.
So the one that I had last fall,
Yeah.
that was loaded with the little yellow tomatoes.
That's the seed from that one.
This is the seeds for me.
Yeah.
So this is a handy little thing in the garden too,
Oh,
folks.
this is awesome. We bought this a few years ago in Omar.
In the sale.
Yeah, in the sale for $5, and I say it's one of the best things we ever bought. Hey, Bobby, you got one too?
Yeah, I do. Use it
Perfect for moving stuff around and
all the time on the go.
yeah.
I'm sure if you come up and ask Doreen for a tomato, a balcony tomato to buy, Don't think she'd have any problem selling you one. And you know what? You'd have tomatoes for eating most of the summer right into fall.
Wow. It's muggy.
Yes, it's muggy.
Yeah.
But this is what I like about this little thing. Now, I mean, I'm big enough. I'm big enough to carry it, but I mean, for folks that's getting a little bit limited in their gardening and still wants to garden, this fellow is a wonderful little helper. And I don't know what did we pay for him, Deanie? $5 and no matter where. It's a little garden cart. You can't get no better.
I know.
What you got there now?
This is my marigolds.
Wow, they're so pretty.
Yeah, this is small. They don't grow very tall.
Minis.
Yeah.
And your brother's on there to drop down his neck.
Oh, you're in my raindrops.
Yeah.
And this is my lamb's ears.
Oh yeah?
This is a perennial. And it grows purple and the leaves are all furry. Really pretty little perennial.
Uh-huh.
So I got a lot of them.
Hi everyone, we're still at it. We're getting the greenhouse brought together. Deanie, you want to take a pan or what?
Yeah, so what Bobby's doing right now is jalapeno plant.
Deanie, you know what?
He's covered in flowers.
I'm...
And that's the little green one right there. So it looks like jalapeno.
Dude on it.
Yeah. So we brought all of our stuff out today. Here's my flowers. There's my tomatoes. Right there, I got a whole lot of tomatoes. I still got my flowers here, ready to repot. And this is all my cherries.
Okay, so this is a little jalapeno, or I saw jalapeno the winter, and I saw green peppers. I'm pretty sure that this is going to be the jalapeno. Not 100% sure, but anyway, I planted it sometime under my grow lights in the basement, February month. And if you take a look at it, you got
Turning. Oh, he's covered in flowers.
another little jalapeno coming there.
Yeah.
So that's two.
Yeah, he's covered in flowers.
So I want to try to be gentle, but I got the pot that he's going into.
The hole.
And I got the hole made. Now, some people says to plant these deeper so they'd have a bigger root system, but I don't do that. I just plant them at the level in which they are. So my book, I read in the book that it says they don't like to be put no deeper. Oh,
There we go. Pretty good root system there.
pretty good little root ball.
Yeah.
Try to be gentle, but I don't want the shaking up too much. Plants don't like being moved, folks. That's why they're called a plant, because they're planted. So each thousands of it, the soil's thousands of it there. So this little fella is ready to go, and I think it was January 10th I planted this little fella. So there we go, beautiful little jalapeno plant.
Yeah. It
Just,
looks good.
Going to be ready to give us jalapenos for summer. What do you think, Deanie?
Oh, it's beautiful. It's really pretty. Got a whole lot of flowers on it.
The dew is buried in flowers. Now I got another one there that didn't do as well.
Yeah.
This little fella.
Yeah.
No, he didn't do as well.
Got no flowers on it.
He's starting to get them up there now.
Was he starting to?
Yeah.
Okay, starting to get his flowers. That's good.
So they're really wet. I watered them in a tub that soaked up to the bottom inside, because I didn't want those nets in there. So anyway, there's two little ones out there. I'm probably transplant this one to something bigger, Deanie.
Later on, yeah. Now I'm going to tell you now, folks, pretty hot here in the Bobby.
Oh, the sweat rolling on me.
It is 20 degrees here in the greenhouse and the sun is not even out.
No, hot. What's this, Deanie?
All flowers that got leggy and long.
So you need your power put in and your fan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got my fan there to go up into the ceiling.
So that's something we better get done, what?
Yeah, get the lights up.
Okay, I'm going to finish this one off. I think this is, we've been at it the whole day. I don't know how much video I got shot, but I'm going to put close to it. From Bob and Doreen in Newfoundland Gardener, let's keep growing on the rock. Everyone have a great one.
Bye.
Bye.